If Chrome isn't letting a website use your microphone, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to allow microphone access in Chrome, both for a specific website and through your global browser settings. This is really helpful if you're using Google Meet, Zoom, a voice recorder, or any website that needs audio input. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this one. Let's get started. The quickest way to allow microphone access is for a specific site that is already asking for permission. When the website is open, look at the left side of Chrome's address bar, right where the website link is shown. You should see a small site settings icon, which may look like a padlock or two sliders. Click that icon, then choose Site Settings. A permissions panel will open for that website. From the list, find Microphone. If it is blocked, change it to On or select Allow from the drop-down menu. Once you do that, refresh the page so Chrome can apply the new permission. In many cases, that is all you need, and the website will immediately recognize your microphone. If that does not work, or if you previously blocked microphone access, you can change Chrome's main microphone setting as well. To do that, click the three vertical dots in the top right corner of Chrome, then click Settings. In the left-hand menu, select Privacy and Security. Next, click Site Settings, scroll down to the Permissions section and click Microphone. Here, under Default Behavior, choose Sites can ask to use your microphone. This is the best setting because it allows websites to request access instead of being blocked automatically. After changing that setting, go back to your website and try again. If the site still does not work, make sure the correct microphone is selected in the website's own audio settings, and check that your computer's microphone permissions are also enabled at the system level. If you are using Windows or Mac, a blocked device permission there can prevent Chrome from working properly even when browser permissions are allowed. A quick browser restart can also help if the changes do not apply right away. So to recap, for a single website, use the icon in the address bar, open Site Settings, and allow Microphone. For a broader fix, go into Chrome Settings, open Privacy and Security, then Site Settings, and set Microphone to Sites can ask to use your microphone. That's the easiest way to manage microphone permissions in Chrome. If this video helped you out, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step browser and computer tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.